Hello everyone, in this video we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, election and representation of class 11th. If we talk about why election are needed and why we are talking about the election process, the systems which are adopted by the different countries. First of all, we should know the need of this, because we are living in a democratic country. Therefore, to run the democratic country we need the election is a mechanism by which the people elect their representative. If we talk about the democracy is a rule of people. How the people rule, it take decisions by the election. If the people elect some representative, then the elected representative take the decision, and the democracy will run. If we talk about the questions, can we have democracy without holding elections? Can we have? If there is the democracy but we cannot hold the election, is it possible? This is the question for you. You have to think over it. Next question is, can we hold elections without having democracy? This is also the next question for you. You have to think over it. Can we hold elections without having democracy? Now, if we talk about the first question, can we have democracy without holding elections? It does not possible, because democracy is a rule of people, and if the people are not able to elect their representative, then the democracy will not run or not longer. Next question is, can we hold elections without having democracy? Yes, in this we can give the answer in yes, in positive manner, because we can take the example of the China and the Pakistan. In Pakistan, we have done in the 10th class also that their General Musharraf has couped, and after some time he has elected himself as the president. If we talk about the China is also a one party system, that is the Communist Party of China. That is the only party which hold the elections, which wins the election, and there is no one who lost the election. Okay, and therefore we can say that there will be the elections. If the elections not held without having democracy, it is possible, and I have given the example of Pakistan and China, and many more countries are also there. In the next video I will talk to the next topic. Till then, thank you.